Atomic Almanac. Entry 015, where consciousness lives. The 20th century asked a question that no one should have answered the way they did. Where does consciousness live? In the cells, the neurons, the blood, or somewhere we can't see, the pattern itself, independent of the parts? Two men tried to find out, one in Moscow, one in Cleveland. Vladimir Demikhov was a thoracic surgeon, a man who believed that if the heart could be transplanted, so could anything else. In his laboratory, he grafted the head and front legs of a dog onto the neck of an adult dog. When both heads woke, and they did wake, they were both conscious. Both could see, both could drink water, both responded to their names. The question no one asked beforehand, which one was the dog? The dogs lived days, sometimes weeks, both heads aware of what had been done to them, both suffering as their bodies rejected each other. Over 20 times Demikhov performed this surgery. Over 20 times the immune system waged war. Over 20 times consciousness persisted through agony. Until it didn't. He proved consciousness could be divided. He never asked whether it should be. Robert White wanted to go further. Not two consciousnesses in one body, but one consciousness in a completely different body. A monkey's head, surgically removed, placed onto another monkey's spine. The surgery took 19 hours. When the monkey woke, its eyes opened. It could see White standing above it. It could hear. It tried to bite the approaching hand. The head was fully conscious, aware of everything, paralyzed from the neck down. No spinal cord connection could be made. The body didn't know the head. The head couldn't move the body. The monkey lived 8 hours, before immune rejection killed it. What did they prove? That consciousness can survive. Separation from its original body, briefly. That the pattern, the electricity, the awareness, can persist when transplanted. For hours, maybe days. That suffering persists too. Demikhov defended his work, said it advanced our understanding of transplant rejection, that heart transplants came from this knowledge. White argued the same, that his work would someday allow human head transplants extending life indefinitely. Perhaps they were right about the medicine, but they were wrong about the cost. Where does consciousness live? They found part of the answer, not just in the brain, but in the pattern, the electrical storm. That can persist for a time even when the body changes beneath it. But they also found what they didn't look for, that consciousness and suffering are inseparable, that awareness is precious, precisely because it can be harmed, that some questions should be answered differently or not answered at all. The question remains, just because we can, should we? Filed under Transplantation, Medicine, Consciousness.